Hi kids! Today you are going to guess the animals. Tell me, what is this? Very good, yes! That's a donkey. Now tell me, what's the name of this animal? Yeah, great! That's a cow. Now tell me, what is this? Yeah, great! That's an elephant. And now, what's their name? Yes, those are chickens. We are about to finish. Tell me, what's this? They are monkeys. And the next and last animal is... pigs! Yes, pigs! Now, you know so many animals. Remember that you have to love all of them so much.